In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Make.com and use instant webhooks. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable connection to your Slack workspace and a ready-to-go instant webhook that triggers your scenarios in real time. First, open your scenario in Make. In the canvas, add a Slack module. This can be any Slack action or trigger. What matters is that it's a Slack module. When you drop it into the scenario, you'll see a field to choose a connection. Click. Create a new connection. Make will open a secure window asking you to authorize access to your Slack workspace. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into Slack. If you use multiple workspaces, select the one you want to connect. Then review the permissions and grant access. These permissions let Make perform the actions you choose in your scenario, such as posting messages or watching events, depending on the module. Once you approve, Make links the connection automatically, and you'll see it appear in the Slack module. From here, you can continue configuring the module specifics, but the connection itself is done. If you like, give the connection a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you manage several workspaces. Now let's set up an instant trigger using a webhook. In your scenario, add an instant module. In Make, instant simply means the scenario runs the moment data is received, so it's perfect for real-time automations. Click Create a Webhook. Make immediately generates a unique URL for you and attaches it to that module. There's nothing else to configure in Slack for this part. The URL is ready to receive data and start the scenario the instant something hits it. Copy the URL if you plan to send information to this scenario from another tool or service. Keep it private because anyone with the link can trigger your workflow. A few quick tips for smooth setup. If you don't see your desired Slack workspace during authorization, make sure you're logged into the correct Slack account in your browser and that you have the necessary permissions. If an admin approval is required, your request may need to be approved before the connection becomes active. For webhooks, treat the URL like a password, store it securely, and rotate it if you suspect it's been exposed. That's it. You've connected Slack to Make.com through a new connection and created an instant webhook that's automatically attached and ready to use, with no extra Slack configuration needed.